fun way with Smart Study. Hello, kids! Today we're going to learn some small and easy two-letter words. These words are fun to say, simple to remember, and a great way to start reading in English. So let's begin and say each two-letter word with its spelling. Ready? Let's get started. A-M, am. A-N, an. A-S, as. A-T, at. B-E, be. B-Y, by. D-O, do. G-O, go. H-E, he. H-I, high. I-F, if. I-N, in. I-S, is. I-T, it. M-E, me. M-Y, my. N-O, no. O-F, of. O-N, on. O-R, or. O-X, ox. S-O, so. T-O, to. U-P, up. U-S, us. W-E, we.